Okay, boys and girls, let's get started on math boxes 1-9, and you'll find that on page 20 in your journal book. Okay, number one, we're looking at a bar graph. Okay, and if you notice up here, the bar graph is called Children's Lesson Choices, and then along the side we have the number of children that they checked, and then what it is that they took lessons on. Okay, so it said, did more children like music or swimming? I like to go up here and put my numbers. This would be 12, this would be 6, and this would be 10. So then I can compare them very easily. So if I look at that, did more children like music or swimming? So I can look at music and swimming and see it's very obvious that it's music. Okay, there were more boxes filled in, and my bar graph, or my bar, is a lot taller on music than swimming. It says, how many more children chose music than art? Well, music I had 12, and art I had 6, so if I'm looking for a difference in those two numbers, I would have 6 children. We always put down our units so we know what we're talking about. Number 2, Cindy leaves her house at 9 a.m. She arrives at her grandmother's house at 11 a.m. How long does it take to get to her grandmother's house? Okay, if you want to use a tool clock, you could use an open number line to help you out. But let's go back. We know she left her house at 9 a.m. and we know that she got to grandma's at 11 a.m. So if I was using an open number line, I would start at 9 a.m. I know I'm going to go to 11 a.m. So I can go 1 hour, which would take me to 10 o'clock. That was 1 hour. From 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, we take another hour. Okay, so that tells me it took 2 hours to get to grandma's house. Okay, let's go to number 3. You're to estimate the length of this line segment to the nearest inch. So if I was looking at this line segment here, okay, I would probably say that's probably about 1 inch. Okay, and then they want you to check your estimate. So if you have a ruler at home or something that you can measure with to see how long that line segment is. All right, number 4, you're to fill in the unit and then solve. So let's fill in the unit. So let's go with trucks. Okay. And 9 is equal to, or 9 is the same as what number minus 6? Okay. So I look at that and it's 15 minus 6, and I can check it and see. Okay. The second one is 16 minus 8. Well, that's really easy. We know our double, so 8 plus 8 is 16. So 16 minus 8 must be 8. Okay. This one, 11 minus 4 is equal to or the same as 7. And 12 minus what number is equal to or the same as 5? 7. And 9 is equal to or the same as what number minus 9? So we got to figure out what number we can subtract 9 from to get to 9. So we'd have a double here. So 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay. Okay, moving on to number 5, it explains what tool you use to and how you used it to check your estimate. Well, I used a ruler. And you just put down whatever it is tool that you used. Okay, I lined it up. And saw that it was 1 inch. Okay. It's really important that you line up your roller, make sure that it is lined up exactly so you get an exact answer. All right, boys and girls, this concludes lessons 1.9.